Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use TextAloud. TextAloud takes written text such as web pages, PDFs, or Word documents and changes them into audio files. You can listen to them on your computer or download them to things like your phone or an MP3. Now, TextAloud is a program that you have to purchase, but you can download a 20-day free trial to see how you like it. Now, I have TextAloud downloaded and ready to go. So this is what the program looks like. If you wanted to, you could type here sentences that you would like to be read and whatnot, and they would. Or you can copy and paste words into it from web pages or PDFs. Another version that is most commonly used is to make Word documents into audio files. So to do that, you'll go to Tools, you'll set up all your programming, like pauses, character, what your voice and audio file options are. Then you'll come down here to File Splitter Utility. Now, this is how you split the Word docs. So if we go to a folder of a textbook, this one's called Essentials of Sociology. So I have a folder called SEP. It means that these files here have been separated, because in this will be what TextAloud splits. Now, you'll need to keep this open to make sure that they're splitting right. But you go back to here, you'll browse, you'll pick which chapter, so chapter 1. Make sure it says text files. You'll browse again where you want to put it, which is that little SEP file that we had before. So we'll click it. You can edit the name, whatever you'd like, but since this is a textbook, we'll just keep it as the chapter itself. Not type apparently. And then you want to keep output name, sequence number after name. You'll want to split it by size. Target split size is 10 kilobytes, and you split it to the nearest sentence. So once you're done with that, you would just hit split, and it'll come up saying that it was split into 14 files. So you just hit OK, and it disappears. Now, if you go down to the Essentials of Sociology folder again, go into SEP, you'll see that we have 14 text files. These are the files that will be converted. So we'll do one more chapter. So back to File Splitter here. Let's do chapter 2. This should stay the same, and then we'll split this file. Now this one was only split into 4 ones. Now, to convert it, we're going to go over here, and we're going to go through and put it in an MP3 folder. That is going to be important in this step. You'll come down and you'll go to Batch File Converter. From here, this is where we will convert the files into actual audio files. So you need to find where your files were. So to add it, you just highlight all of them, hit open, and it will put them all in here. Then you can select what you want from here. It's best advised to keep it as lame MP3, default, and then Microsoft Anna is if your choice or if you have others. Then your output, you're going to hit browse, and we're going to put it in that MP3 file that we made. My computer does not like this today. Here, go to this, MP3 files. And we have our Essentials of Sociology. So you'll click that. Everything's ready to go. Then you just hit this little button here called Convert. It's going to ask you one more time if that's really where you want to put it. You hit OK. And then it's going to go through the process of converting these files. Now this can take a little bit, considering that it has to convert each file. And the bigger the textbooks or the bigger the files, the longer it takes. I've converted up to 800 files before in one book. 18 is nothing compared to that. But they'll say file number out of whatever, they'll say finished, and you just hit OK. You can exit out of this, and then we go back to our MP3 folder and we go to Essentials of Sociology, and there are all of our MP3 files. So if you click one of them, it'll come up with whatever player you have. We happen to have and there's your MP3 file. And that is how you use TextAloud.